gosh, I got that brand new jacket on for y'all. I'd be looking fresh AF, I know, just for you guys. So while you're here, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe. Let's get into it. What is up, y'all? Welcome back. I've been getting tons and tons of questions and comments about what phone mount I use on my CBR, so I figured let's just make a video about it real quick. It'll be super easy, and I also will add a install video. I'll leave a timestamp in the description. If you want to skip ahead, you can go check that out. But to get into things here, I use the QuadLock fork stem mount, and I have an iPhone 11, so you get the case with it too. I also highly recommend get the vibration dampening. I didn't get a phone case or a phone mount for the longest time because every review, not every review, but a lot of reviews on every single product mentioned the vibrations from the bike that messes up their phone's camera. So I was like, all right, I don't really need one that much, so I just waited, and then QuadLock released the vibration dampener. It's like $20 extra. So I think for the whole package, everything here was $145. So it's a little bit of money, but honestly, this thing is so easy to use. I love the case, the little finger loop that you can stick your finger through and hold your phone. It makes things way easier. And I just kind of like it, and the way the phone snaps in and out of here, like I could probably take my phone out of this the mount right now while I'm riding. I'm just not going to because we don't want to crash, that's why. And I just got a new jacket and we're trying to keep it new, so yeah. All right, I said I wasn't going to do it, but I'm going to do it just to show you how easy it is. Ready? Phone off, phone on. Is that simple. Another thing I like about the QuadLock mount is its adjustability. You can really put your phone in any position, which I like my phone kind of back out of the way, so I'm not looking at it. I have to physically look down to look at it so it doesn't grab my attention. If I get a text or something, I'm not like drawn to it, and I can still see the dash and get my key in and out of there pretty easy. But that's really it, guys. It's really a reliable phone mount. I haven't had any issues with it. The first couple times I went out to ride after I installed it, I just kept an eye on it, make sure it didn't get loose or anything, and ever since I put it on, I haven't had any issues. Just make sure you tighten everything down nice and snug, and you should be fine. So that's gonna do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned here. I will play the install part of the video right now if you're interested, and we will see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and peace out. So to install the mount on your bike, I'm going to start with these 4 pieces. I don't have an open box. This is not an open box install. I just uninstalled the piece for the sake of this video, and we're going to reinstall it together. So to start, I'm going to use the stem mount piece, and you're going to have to take off this little cap on the top. You just kind of wiggle it out of there, and that is how you're going to screw it in to the stem. So I'm just going to place this in the stem mount. And included in the box, I believe, was a Allen key. If not, this is a 3mm wrench. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna position the handlebars straight, and I'm gonna make it as straight as possible. And I'm just gonna screw it in. And I'm gonna get it as tight as I can. And we're gonna place the little knob back in. Super easy. Now you wanna get this as tight as you can. All that's happening is when you tighten it, the threads on the inside are expanding and making it secure, and it's pretty tight. There's no way you're gonna get out of there if you tighten that all the way down. So next piece I'm gonna put on is the little adjustable arm piece. This just makes it so you can put your phone in the position that you like. Also, again, using the 3mm Allen key, and super easy. I'm just gonna slide this thing on and get it on there. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way down, and you will kind of see why. Because we want to get our phone in a position that we like it. So we're gonna kind of move things around, and right now we're just gonna put it together. So if it moves around for now, that's fine. And on to the next piece, the vibration dampener. This thing is super clutch, definitely recommend getting it. And again, super easy. I'm just going to place that bolt inside right here, super easy. And I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this one down as much as I can. There's no adjusting to this one. So I got that one snug,
And lastly, I'm gonna apply the blue release tab. Same principle. I'm gonna put this bolt into the place on top of the vibration dampener. And actually, I placed mine facing upwards because I don't want to accidentally have something press it and my phone fall off, which I doubt that would happen, but I like it this way and it's still easy to get the phone off. So I'm going to tighten this one down all the way as well. There we go. So we got the QuadLock installed. Now we just got to get our phone on there and get it in the position we want. All right, so I got my phone on there and I'm just going to use the 2 adjustment points on the adjustable arm to get this in a position that I like for writing. I kind of like it out of my way, not being able to see it. So I'm going to tighten these 2 pieces down. Sorry if you can't see. And then again, I'm going to get these pretty darn tight. And there you go, your QuadLock is installed. It's super easy. I just slide my fingers up underneath to release the phone. Super easy, and then putting it back on, also a breeze. You can kind of hear it click. Like that, you know it's in place, and you're good to go. I haven't had any issues with it falling off or even been worried at all. The first couple times I rode, I made sure to double check everything and just keep an eye on it, but should be good. It's really reliable.